Warning: this burrito was featured in my 200 subscriber special. If you did not watch the special or want to see a burrito destroyed, keep watching.
Hey everyone, and we're back. So we're at Taco Del Mar. This is the only food challenge I know in Halifax, Nova Scotia. So this is a 5-pound burrito. All I know is that it's 30-minute time limit, $23 if you don't complete it. If you complete it, it's free. So let's go in and see what it's all about. The details on the challenge: 5-pound total weight. You're gonna pick your tortillas. I went with 2 whole wheat for some fiber, a spinach and a tomato, totaling 4 tortillas. Then they go with beans, rice, ground beef, salsa, cheese, although I'm going without cheese today, so they'll put more salsa, more beans, or something along that line. There's also a wall of fame. So the last time it was actually completed was back in November of 2014. So it's been a little while now, being June 27th, 2018. The last gentleman to complete it is actually right here, and it was actually 13 minutes 40 seconds. So that's the current record that we're going to try to beat today.
Refried black.
Hey everybody, so here we are. Got the 5-pound burrito, weighed in just over 5 pounds. I got a great big spoon. First off, kudos to staff, kudos to everybody here at Taco Del Mar. They've been absolutely amazing. So I got 30 minutes, about a 13.5-minute time limit or record that I'm trying to beat. So without further ado, let's start in the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, thank you.
Where is it?
Thank you.
It's good, eh?
And good it was. Welcome back everybody to today's food challenge. Today, as mentioned, we are in Halifax, Nova Scotia, doing my first burrito challenge. If I win this challenge, it'll be win number 19, and I really enjoyed this. It was very easy to go down. It was a soft food, and although I didn't really have a true strategy going at it besides using a spoon, I think it turned out really well.
2 minutes in. 2 minutes. The first time we rolled the burrito, it was under 5 pounds, roughly around 4 1/4. So the gentleman reopened it up, we added some more ingredients, and I told him just load it up because I don't want to have to re-roll it a third time. So the burrito did end up being closer to 6 pounds than 5 pounds, being 5 pounds 14 ounces, but I really didn't mind. It was fine, and it was delicious, so that was great. And the benefit of it being so soft is I didn't choke and almost die, like I did on the food challenge you'll see very shortly. So tune in to watch me almost die. Next week, that is.
Five minutes in.
So,
11 seconds.
final time, 6 minutes, 11 seconds. So we got the record, old record, about half. It was a very nice burrito. It all went down really easy. Nice soft toppings, great tortilla. So that was good. 200 subscribers. So yeah, maybe we'll go for round 2 here in a minute. I paid $23 for the burrito, but I'm going to get my money reimbursed as it was under the 30-minute time limit. So just thanks to everybody here at Taco Del Mar. It was absolutely delicious. First winner in 4 years. So, woo! So this is my first burrito challenge. This is win number 19. Definitely would do it again. Again, huge thanks to everybody here at Taco Del Mar. Absolutely great challenge. Only challenge that I know of in Halifax, so great to get that done and over with. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your likes. And with that, until next time, happy eating.